Hi, you're welcome to Explore Insight. In this video, I want to teach you on 15th complement subtraction. Now, this is another example I'll be handling. So, let's take a look at the question which we have here. Find the subtraction of 077C from 1B06 using the 15th complement method. This is just a question you might be faced with during your exam. So what do? I will advise you to quickly have a recall on the steps to be taken before you start up your calculation. So we basically have three steps. The first one is to take the 15 complement of the suprahend. Then whatever value you have, you add it to the minor end, which is the step 2. And then step 3 is if carry is generated, you add it to the result. Now, to better understand this, let's look at the given solution. So we have 1B06 minus 077C. It's important for you to check out what is the minor end and what is the suprahend, which I have identified just now. Now, the next thing to do is to apply the steps. Now, in step 1, we have take 15 complement of the suprahend. Now, this is my suprahend. I'm going to check for the 15th complement, which entails me to spread out the value and put 15 each for each digits of the suprahend. So, we came down to this value, which is 15 minus C. C is actually 12. 15 minus 12 will be 3. 15 minus 7 will be 8. 15 minus 7 will be 8. 15 minus 0 will be 15. But in hexadecimal form, we have to represent it as F. Now, we move over to step 2, which is to add the result to the minor end. Which results? The results gotten from the 15th complement in step 1. So we are adding 5883 plus 1B06, which is the minor end. Now, while adding, we're going to have 3 plus 6 to be 9, 8 plus 0 to be 8, 8 plus B. B in this case is 11, as seen here. So that's to say 8 plus 11 is 19. 19 is greater than 16. So when we divide through, 16 into 19 will be 1 with a remainder of 3. So we are going to write 3 and carry 1. Now this one is indicated with the blue ink here. You can see here. Now we have the next digits to sum up, which is F plus 1 plus 1. F in this case is 15. So we are going to have 15 plus 1, which will give us 17. Now 17 is greater than 16. We are going to divide. So 16 into 17 will be 1 carry 1. So we are going to put 1 here and carry 1. Now, maybe you're wondering, what do we mean by carry? Because this leads us to step 3. It says if carry is generated. How do you know if carry is generated? You literally know by counting the number of digits. Now let's go to the step 2. How many digits do we have here? 4. How many do we have in the minor end? 4. But when we did the summation, how many do we have? 5 digits. So that shows that carry exists. 1 digit has been added, right? So with that, we'll move over to step 3. So this brings us to step 3, which says if carry is generated, add it to the results. So what does that imply? It means I'm going to take this value here. That means we are considering 1389 plus 1. Now 9 plus 1 will be 10. In hexadecimal, it is seen as A. This value has no other value to add, so we have 831. So at the end of the day, the answer will be 138A. I'll be ending the video now. I hope you're able to grab a knowledge from this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified on my new video. The next video I'll be uploading will be on 16 complement subtraction, where I'll be talking about case 1 and case 2. Do have a nice time ahead. Bye.